Hello folks, and welcome to the Doggone It channel. I figured I'd get on here. I haven't posted a video on here in a while. If you're a new subscriber, there'll be many more videos to come. I've been kind of busy with other things and with the other channel. No excuse, but we will get this going. Well, I wanted to make this video. Now, when I originally created this channel, I wanted it to be for things that didn't pertain to the homestead, that kind of content. And some of the things I want to do, some of the unexplained things, whatever, any kind of subject. Well, I've had something going on for the last 2 weeks, and I just wanted to see if any of you have experienced this. I thought I was nuts. Honestly, I thought my hearing was going out. Maybe I was going a little cuckoo up there. What I've got going on, and this actually happened when I first moved here 10 years ago, but 40 miles away from here. I have been having, and I really notice it mostly in the afternoon, a very low pitched humming noise. If it was just a solid one pitch noise, then I might think I was crazy. But it alternates. It goes low and up to a higher pitch. And then it'll go for that for like 15 seconds. And I've timed it. And it always goes down at the same time. Well, it's a mechanical hum, like a refrigerator would be. Something like that. I even thought it was the computer. So what I did, I went around this house, and I can't hear it outside. I go outside, I don't hear it. So there's nothing running. Man, I don't know. It's been baffling me. So I went around, I unplugged everything electrical, and I took a cup to each wall, seeing if I could hear it through the wall. There's no vibration. You can't hear it through any wall. I Googled it, and apparently it happens to a lot of people. One site said like 2% of the people can hear low-pitched volumes that others can't. Now, this happened to me when I moved here 10 years ago, but I would hear it at the ranch. When I worked at the ranch, I could hear it outside, and when I had the fifth wheel, I would hear it in there. But this sound that I heard then was like it was the same type of sound, but it was like a diesel motor running. And I don't know how many times I busted out the door. I'm like, this dude needs to shut off his truck. And it sounded like that. But this one's different. The only thing I could compare it to, that the first thing I unplugged and checked was the fridge. It has its own unique noise. Well, I unplugged it, came over here, sat down, there it is again. So that wasn't it. Unplugged the freezer don't hardly make any noise. I went and unplugged the freezer. Still hear it. And it's constantly. I think I don't notice it a lot because I'm always on the computer. I always got a radio going. But I've been sitting here this afternoon, and it is driving me crazy. So I've went around. There's nothing to do with the electrical. I've went to the electrical box, listen. I'm probably sounding like a lunatic right now, but it's driving me nuts, man. I can hear it now. I wish it would pick up on that. So I'm going to read up a little more on that. I just wanted to put out a video, It could be somebody's running some equipment somewhere that's vibrating the ground. I even went out to the well house, and there's nothing going on there. The neighbor's got a very noisy HVAC unit outside. It sounds like it sounds like it's been on its last leg for the last 3 years, but it wasn't running. And I'm quite a ways away from them, so I highly doubt that's what it is. Aliens? Who knows? I wasn't going to ever tell anybody about something like that until I got on Google, and there's all kinds of stuff on YouTube about that. And, it's one of them things, if you're experiencing the same thing, you're not going to tell nobody. They're going to think you're nuts. But I'm serious. It's been driving me batty. And I've been in this cabin for 8 years, and I've never heard it. Get out of there, fly. I've never heard this before here. And then the one I heard 10 years ago, it was a totally different kind of noise. But it was, it was just like somebody's truck a half mile away was sitting there, a noisy diesel idling. That's what that one was like. But it's like an electric motor, just real low, if you were running some kind of a electric motor. But it's more like a refrigerator, and it's not my refrigerator. It has nothing to do with the plumbing. There's no vibrations. If somebody was running equipment somewhere, you could put your fingers on the window or something, the wall, and you'd probably feel the vibration. Because we get fighter jets flying over, and believe me, you can feel everything when they come over. But this is really... And another thing that's kind of weird is the last 2 weeks, my dog Rooster, she don't want to come in the house. And she was looking at the ceiling this morning, so I'm thinking she's probably hearing it too. Maybe I am turning into a dog. I don't know. But I know they hear it a whole lot better than we do, so... And I'm watching her. She's not been acting the same. She's been acting pretty strange. She won't... The last 2 days, I could barely get her in the house. I almost had to pick her up and bring her in. She did not want to come in. So it may be nothing. I'm just wondering, leave your comments in below. Say you're nuts. Never heard such a thing. Or if you hear the same thing, let me know. But I'm going to... There's nothing I can... If I can't find where it's coming from, nothing I can do. You know what? It actually sounds like a generator kind of run. If somebody was running a generator down the road, that's what it sounds like. That they're maybe running a power tool with it. I don't know, but nobody's out doing that. You go outside, you can't hear it. And I live in an A-frame that's like this. Maybe it's capturing some noise. You tell me. I'm not the expert on it. I believe me. It's driving me nuts. And no, I don't think it's anything supernatural or anything like that. If anything, it probably has something to do with my hearing. But, at my age, my hearing's not going to get better like that. So I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. If it goes away, I hope it does, or I probably will go nuts. I'm just going to turn some music on and leave it on so I don't have... But I can still feel it. Even if the music's on, I can still feel the vibrations in my head. It's almost like, like I said, if it was a constant hum, then I might question myself. But it's purely, mechanical sounding because it changes low, and I've timed it the same amount of time, and then it goes back down to the lower one, then it goes back to the high pitch. Like something's, in a cycle. I don't know. This is probably the dumbest video I've ever put out. But you should have seen me around here the last few hours. I've just been going nuts. I went upstairs and I couldn't find anything. There's no electrical outlets up there. I haven't finished it. There's nothing plugged in. I went by all the electrical outlets. No noise. So whatever it is, I hope it goes away. Anyway, you guys leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and you're not a subscriber. Please subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Keep it nice. But I'm just, I just wondered. I said, when I Googled, I said, I wonder if there's anybody else out there that is hearing this. All right, guys. Happy trails. Thanks for watching.